Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we are going to try and get a dictionary of 5-letter words that we are going to drop in our word manager. And the word manager will be responsible for grabbing a random word so that we can play. Awesome. Okay, so first off, we need to grab a list of 5-letter words. So I found one here. So it's on this website. I'm gonna try and drop the link somewhere in the course. Okay, like ideally just below the course description. And yeah, so click it, hit Ctrl A to select everything. Now you can notice that there is a bit of spacing just after the letter H or after each word. Like keep that in your mind because we are going to use it later. Then you can go back to Unity. Okay, perfect. Let's open the project window. In the assets folder, we are going to right click and show it in the Explorer. Perfect. Here you want to create a new text file that we are going to call words, for instance. Let's open it. Perfect. And let's paste all of the words we've copied. Then you can save and close this. Awesome. We can also close this window now. Perfect. Now you can see that you have a words text file in your assets. Cool. So let's update the word manager to take this words file into account. So let's double click it. Perfect. Unity makes things very easy for us when dealing with text files. To reference it, you can simply create a new serialized field, private, text asset, and let's call it words text. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to Unity, and you can see that you can drag the words file and drop it onto this new field. Awesome, we can now play with this text. From this text, let's grab a string that will contain all of the content of our text file. So we are going to create a new private field. It's going to be a string, and let's call it words. All right, perfect. Then in the awake method, we can initialize this words string by writing words equals words text dot text. As simple as that. Nice. Now let's see how we can grab a random word from that list. For that, we are going to create a new method. So maybe let's make it private. It's going to return a string that will be our new secret word. Or no, maybe let's make it void and we are going to change the secret word inside of that method. It's going to be simpler actually. No need to overcomplicate things. Let's call it set new secret word. Like so. And we can actually call that method from the start method, just so that a secret word is initialized at start when the player starts the game. All right. So first off, we need to know how many words are contained in our text file. So let's open it quickly. So let's right click it, show in Explorer, double click it now. And we know that if we select everything, we should have 5,757 words. It's the amount of lines that we have in our word, okay? So each line normally is 5 characters long. But if you remember well, in the website, they had a kind of a hidden character. It was weird, I do agree, but it was there. And you also need to know that the backspace key is actually considered as a character. So it's like on each line we have 7 characters, okay? Except for the last line, I think, that we have that hidden character missing, along with the backspace key. So let's just make sure our thinking is okay. Let's go back to scripting. Okay, perfect. So now we can debug.log. We are going to log the length of our string. So let's call it string length, not like so, but like so. And here we are going to say words.length, just to have a rough idea of how many characters are contained in our string. So let's go back to Unity. Okay, let's open the console, hit play. Okay, so we have 40,297 characters. Let's quickly open the calculator, like so. You can hit Windows R to open the command tab and just write calc and it will open the calculator very quickly. Nice. So we have 40,297 characters divided by, normally a character is 5 letters long, but plus the backspace plus the hidden character. Let's press enter. So we have 5,756 words, and we saw that we had 57, not 56. It's because, as I told you, we need to remove the two, we need to add, two more characters to that. So it's 40,297 plus 2, like so, divided by 7. And now we have all of the characters, all of our words, okay? So let's do that. Let's go back to Unity. Let's go back to scripting. Okay, cool. So we can create an integer for that. Let's call it word count. And as we've said previously, it's going to be equals to the words.length plus 2 divided by 7. Okay? So now we have the amount of words contained in our words list. Awesome. Let's grab a random word. So we are going to create a new integer. So let's call it word index. And it's going to be equals to random.range from 0 to the word count, just to select a random word. All right. After that, now that we have the word index, we need to create a string that will be our secret word. So we can create it by getting the first index of our word. So basically, it's simply going to be like, let's call it, it's going to be starting maybe index, or maybe word starting index, word start index, yeah. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay. So the word start index is going to be equals to the word index times 7. So it's like just jumping. If the word index is 0, it means that we want the first word. Let's go here. So the start index will be the index 0. And we know that each line is made of 7 characters. So if the word index is 1, we are going to jump here. And then we can select 5 characters. If the word index is 5, let's say, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are going to start here. Then we can select 5 characters, like so. So let's do that. Let's create a new string. Let's call it secret word. And, or maybe we can just change the secret word directly. So secret word is going to be equals to the words string dot substring, just to take a specific part of the string. Okay. The start index will be our word start index, and the length of the string will be 5 characters. And we're pretty much done. So let's try this out now. Let's go back to Unity. Oh, by the way, we forgot something. All of the words are in lowercase. So let's make the word uppercase. So to upper, and now we are good to go. So let's jump back to Unity. Okay. Let's select the word manager, hit play, and now we can see that the secret word has been updated to barge. So it's no longer Unity, thank God. Okay. So now let's try Udemy. Sorry, I said Unity, come on. Udemy, try. Oh, it's wrong. So let's try barge. Okay, awesome. Nice, that's exactly what we want. So now we need to also update the game, update the secret word when we reset the game. We are not going to do that now because I want to make the menu first. I don't know why, but let's make the menu first, and then we can come back to that later. So yeah, let's go.